It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Wednesday, the 17th of February. Another winter storm approaching Alabama, and we have the chance of more wintry weather problems for the northwestern part of the state. Again, today, a lot to talk about. So let's dive in. This is the upper air look, another trough. This is the last in the series, by the way, approaching Alabama from the west, and that will provide some winter weather problems for the northwest counties. With an Arctic air mass in place. It's cold this morning. Cullman 14, 20 for Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Gadsden, Anniston 22. Sub-freezing temperatures again all the way down to the Gulf Coast, Mobile at 25. So here we go. A winter storm warning in effect for Lamar, Marion, Winston, Franklin, Lawrence, Colbert, Lauderdale, and Limestone. To the south, a winter weather advisory for Pickens, Fayette, and Walker counties. And you can see winter weather problems all the way from Texas to the northeast United States. But again, this is the last in the series of these things, thank goodness. And in the warm sector, South Alabama, watch out for severe storms. We have a level 2 out of 5. Slight risk for Mobile and Baldwin counties. A marginal risk, roughly up to about U.S. Highway 84. And then tomorrow, after 7 a.m., we have a risk of severe storms for the southeastern corner of the state, including places like Dothan, Enterprise, and Abbeville. And then day 3, which is Friday, no severe weather expected, maybe some thunder for the South Atlantic coast. A lot of rain with this feature coming in here. This is rain for the next 7 days, but basically most of this will be in the next 36 hours. Rain amounts for the state between 1 and 2 inches. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 3. There's your approaching trough. A nasty mix of snow, sleet, freezing rain west of the state. So let's go to the high-res NAM. This is this evening at 7 o'clock. And the thermal fields might be a little too warm as you look at this, but clearly this will begin as snow for the shoals. Florence, Sheffield, Tuscumbia, Muscle Shoals, Russellville. That blue, that's snow. There could be 2 inches of snow up there on top of all the ice that you've got already. And then the term a wintry mix, we probably use that too much, but that's basically what it is. Possible down to Lamar, Marion, Winston. And for those in that winter weather advisory, you're right on the borderline. Walker and Fayette and Pickens. It's a very close call. It might be all rain there. It could be some sleet, freezing rain, or maybe a few snowflakes. So that's the beginning of the event. And then by midnight, we should see a warmer nose of air coming in from the south, changing most of this to rain. So it should be a relatively short-term problem. We hope that's the case, but clearly from about 4 or 5 o'clock today until midnight, the chance of wintry weather, and hopefully after midnight, it's all rain that's going to wash a lot of this stuff just away. And then by tomorrow at noon, it's pretty much over. It will be cloudy, colder, and there could be a few snow flurries tomorrow over the northern third of the state in the colder air, where they'll be in the 30s, and you can see evidence of that over Tennessee and Mississippi at that point. And it could be a deal like, we saw yesterday morning where the flurries kind of get a little bit on the ground, but again, probably not that much. This is the snow output from the NAM. Suggesting maybe 2.5 inches on the high end for the shoals. And this is the freezing rain output, really not showing that much. A lot of this will be in the form of sleet and snow with some freezing rain in the mix. So once again, if you're in northwest Alabama, be aware you could see more ice and snow issues tonight. This is the big look tomorrow. The big rain's off to the east, and again, the chance of flurries in the backside with the trough coming in. Friday, we are cold and dry. We start the day in the 20s, the high maybe upper 30s for the valley, then low to mid 40s for the rest of north central Alabama. Saturday, the morning will be cold, will be well below freezing, but we start to warm up. A bright sunny day with a high in the middle 50s, and Sunday we will probably see 60 with a good supply of sunshine. And then Monday, a little cold front comes through with a chance of showers, probably Monday morning. Moisture quite limited, not much to that. And then Tuesday, we're dry and no cold air involved. We'll be in the low to mid 60s. And this is a week from today, Wednesday, the 24th. A zonal flow, dry, pleasant, highs mid 60s. That'll feel like a heat wave. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday, the 26th. Look at that 591 upper high over the Gulf of Mexico nosing in here. And that's going to be very mild and dry and pretty pleasant. This is snow for Birmingham. Some of the members showing a few snow flurries, and this is basically on the backside of the system that we're going to experience tonight. This would be tomorrow and tomorrow evening, but not much. Rain for Birmingham, the mean, about 2 inches. And really, after this event, probably not much rain for the rest of the month. And yeah, buddy, here comes the warm-up. Nice to see those 60s next week, lows above freezing most mornings. And this is the Cpc Outlook for the 24th of February through the 2nd of March. A big old A right on top of us, meaning temperatures above average, and we'll certainly take that. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.